Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. My name is Lee. If you're new here, welcome very much. So in today's video, I just want to do like an easy meal prep. It's currently on Sunday evening and I just want to make something easy. So as I remember back in high school, we used to have rice and beans on Sundays and I just want to do that. But my beans will also have potatoes in them. I don't really love taking beans, but I feel like adding potatoes in them make them a little bit tastier. So yeah, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, liking and sharing with your friends. I want to be talking in this video. I just feel like if I talk I'll take a lot of time, which I don't have. So yeah, I want to be talking much. I'll just play some music because I also want to play music and I can't talk while music is playing. So yeah guys, and I'll also be snacking. Do you guys remember us when we were in primary, when we were in boarding, we used to take crisps and then we add tomato sauce to eat? I don't remember we used to do that. We just come on fries but for some reason I can't eat plain potato chips just like that. Or potato crisps, not chips, without adding the sauce. So yeah guys, let's hop into the video. I'll be making, as I said, beans. I have my beans here. It's just a meal for two, so after this one looks like it's a lot, and I believe we both don't like beans. So yeah guys, stick around and I really appreciate your support so far. So kindly subscribe. Let's get into the video. So guys, before I start, maybe I can just show you my ingredients. I have my beans over here, salt. This is soy sauce. I have tomato paste. This mortar and whatever I'm using it to grind the garlic and ginger. I have these tomatoes, an onion. I love onion, so I'll definitely be using this, the whole of it, even if it's kidogo. Definitely an avocado. I hope it's nice. And we also have coriander, dania. Saying in nini? Surely. What is this? And 4 potatoes. I think I there are a lot. Maybe I'll do 3. So that I just don't want to make like food that will stay. That is what we'll be doing. So I'll start by setting up my music. Just some old some old R&B music. And then plate my R&B also. Actually, this guy, what's his name? Lionel Richie. I think I love him. So I always look for songs that have like his poster because I know the song is going to be fire. OMG, lost sympathy. Yes, it's actually soft rock. This is what I'll be listening to. And it's 3 hours long. Definitely good enough to last me that long. So yeah guys, let's start by cutting the ingredients. So guys, it's been several I really love soft rock. I really love soft rock. I wanted to put this pilipili, but decided against it. So let's splash my food. I feel like My mind is thinking about the thumbnail, and I feel like maybe this plate would be so good for the thumbnail, but our food is definitely ready. Let me wash this. Najua mnashangaa with our water situation. Mshangae tu. But guys, we are suffering. Somebody tell the government we are suffering. Imeanza. Somebody tell the government we are suffering. But I think ni juu ya mvua. It's been raining so much, so the rains zinafanya the motor that pumps water, it breaks down, and once it breaks down, imagine napotea. Let me try and put rice here, halafu nifinye, but it looks like it will be a lot, so that like it gives it a shape. I'm thinking about my family. You're just waiting for me to start with food. Okay, now the rice was almost burning. Because we're about to work out with music. But that session, like I feel so nice after listening to that music for that long. I think it's been like an hour. Way, not even an hour. Like way over an hour. I believe this is enough. Sasa kutoka ndio sijui kama nitatoka. OMG. OMG. It's not that bad though. Lakini sasa my problem is pati me sort of pungua limekuja juu. I'm putting it again and restart. And redo it. If any of you ever wants to start YouTube, just know si rahisi. OMG. But I feel like it will be short. Let me start with the nice rice, chini. Let it burn. But guys, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. I think we are struggling with water. We are really struggling. Yani touch are dry, extremely dry. Yani dry kabisa kabisa. They're so dry. Shit. Don't even, yani, so dry. Designing, you can't even tell, like you don't even have hope, yeah, when it will be back. So you just wait upon the Lord. Wait upon the Lord until they like finish preparing it. Alafu kitu inawasa ni the fact that it keeps raining. So the fact that it's still raining and raining and raining doesn't even help. OMG. the content was much better. Hey, YouTube knows it, right? So now what's happening here? Hey, we'll just have to work with this. Let me not. So the question is, where does the beans go? Okay. Let's have the rice. No, the beans. Sijui niweke avocado hapa kando, but hii imeoza. But look at this, guys. Una salivate. Okay, guys, that Hidayah song is so funny because it reminds me of that Susumila song from way back in the day. Okay, I used to love that Hidayah song. Hidayah. Akina mtafuta Hidayah. I'm just thinking that song is going to trend again, like especially on TikTok. So the cyclone, OMG. Okay, zimespoil zote. The cyclone thingy is, it's not like a laughing matter, yeah. But hiyo Hidayah song, ilinikumbusha mbali sana. Hidayah. Akina mtafuta Hidayah. So guys, my food is ready. And I want to end this video because I'm tired. I still feel so tired. This food slaps. I don't like beans, but with waru, it slaps. So yeah guys, until the next video. Bye. I'm running out of space. Nastaki kumaliza kabla I sign out. So subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. Good night.